Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.cu portal. Here we go. Today is December 14 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Dimitrios Topos. Early in the European session, the EURUSD pair is trading around 1.0907, reaching the price level of November 29th. Since November 23, the euro has been trading within a downtrend channel, which was broken yesterday after the announcement of the Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting. According to the H4 chart, we could see that the euro managed to bounce above the level of 48 Muri at 1.0742. and reach an area of 1.0907. The strong upward movement of the euro happened technically after a sharp break of the downtrend channel. On the other hand, fundamentally, the euro rose following the decision of the Federal Reserve. The message is that there will be multiple interest rate cuts in 2024. This triggered an accelerated move in the euro, which is likely to continue rising in the coming days, but before we expect a technical correction. Given that the euro is now showing bullish signals, a technical correction is expected in the coming hours below the first daily resistance located at 1.0930. In case there is a pullback towards 1.0954, which acts as the first weekly resistance, this could be seen as a signal to sell, with targets at 5.8 Muri level, located at 1.0864. In the coming hours, the European Central Bank will announce its monetary policy decision. So, there's likely to be strong volatility in the euro. A technical bounce around 1.0864, 5.8 Muri level, or at 1.0850, which represents the daily pivot point, will be seen as a buying opportunity, with a target at 6.8 Muri level, located at 1.0986. In the coming days, the EURUSD pair is expected to trade below 1.0986 and above 1.0850. This price range seen during November could give us an opportunity to sell or buy. The Eagle indicator is giving positive signal, but we should wait for a technical correction to resume buying. Now it's time for Red Hot forecast for GBPUSD, presented by Dean Lau. Amid widespread selling of dollar positions, the GBPUSD pair has shifted to rapid growth. The level of 1.2500 serves as support, and we observe that long positions have increased in relation to this level. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI upwardly crossed the 50-minute line, indicating an increase in the volume of long positions. On the same time frame, the alligator's MAs have changed direction from that ascending to ascending. This technical signal suggests a possible end of the corrective cycle from the level of 1.2700. In case bound climbs further, the price could move towards the resistance level of 1.2700, and the British currency may completely recover its value compared to the recent corrective movement. It's worth noting that a sharp price change over a short period can lead to a local overbought condition in the short-term timeframes. The complex indicator analysis points to the recovery process in the pound in the short-term, medium-term, and intraday periods. Here is Laurie Bailey with AUDUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. The Australian dollar sharply strengthened after yesterday's Federal Reserve meeting, up 100 pips compared to the euro's 80 pip rise. In today's Asian session, the pair continued to rise at an even greater speed and has already surpassed the target level of 0.6393. With that said, we now expect the uptrend to move forward towards the target levels of 0.6775 and 0.6815, the average value of the peaks in April and May. A slight move of the Marlin oscillator's signal line into negative territory, red arrow, is now considered a false move. Afterwards, we witnessed movement into the overbought territory. On the 4-hour chart, the price is trying to consolidate above the level of 0.6693. If it successfully manages to consolidate, this would automatically support the pair's rise to 0.6775. Gold, sweet gold, we've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yakimovic. Gold has been trading upside after the FOMC yesterday. And Petar sees that resistance cluster is on the test. In case of the rejection of the resistance at 2050, there is the chance for the lower prices towards the upside gap around 2000 USD per troy ounce. In case of the upside breakout of the resistance at 2050 and hold above, there is the chance for higher prices towards 2087. RSI oscillator is showing reading above 60 mark. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.